Hello everyone, my name is Aaron Singleton from the Way to Balance in Amesbury, Mass. And today I'd like to introduce you to the Tibetan Bowls. Now, the fascinating thing about the bowls, of course, they sing. They create resonance, which creates healing in the body. But today I'm going to introduce you to a whole different aspect. First, we'll start with a little sound. Do you hear it, but you also feel it resonating in your body. Now, if I take an individual bowl and I hold my hand above it and project the energy to you, then you can feel the energy, the resonance of that bowl. If I go to another bowl, see if you can feel the difference. And then another. And another. It might be subtle, but you can actually pick up the individual resonance of each bowl, and it can be projected just like I'm projecting it to you. Now, even though the sound itself is waning and you're not hearing it in your ears, if I collectively pull in the energy of all four bowls and project it to you, can you feel it? Can you feel the resonance in your body even though you can't hear the sound? Now, Tibetan bowls resonate by their design. They do not have to be struck. Just like a tuning fork. A tuning fork is resonating all the time whether you strike it or not. Pay attention to what you feel, where you feel it. And some of you, even though they're not making a sound anymore, some of you will even hear them singing. So this is a fascinating aspect of the bowls that many of you may not know. For those of you that would like to follow, I have some bowl videos on YouTube, but also follow me on Facebook, and I will be on other platforms soon. Enjoy the resonance.